Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm gonna put roast on in the crock pot. Y'all, if you follow along much, you know I love to cook in a crock pot. It's just an easy way to put the meat on, leave it, and it'll be done when you get home from work or school or get ready for dinner. I'm gonna start by spraying the bottom of my crock pot with a little bit of cooking spray. Today I am using a, let's see the pounds on this baby, a beef rump roast, 3.79 pounds from BFR Beef. If you are interested in purchasing beef through their website, you can go to bfrbeef.com, which I'll post over this link. I'll put a link here over this blog, and you can go directly there and buy their beef. They ship it right to your house in a dry ice, beautifully packaged. I'm gonna put the fat side up. Beautifully packaged box. I'm gonna add to mine about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of brewed coffee. That helps to tenderize the meat. I'm just gonna pour it right out of my coffee pot. Doesn't make the meat taste like coffee, but it does give it a nice tenderization effect, and I use that a lot on beef in the crock pot. I'm going to add just a zhuzh or so of Worcestershire to that. Today I'm going to add my all-purpose everyday seasoning. Shake that on here, and then I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of dry ranch dressing, just like this. Very easy. And that is it. I'm gonna close this down, start it on low, and let it cook all day. I'll probably put potatoes with it, red potatoes, about halfway through today. But that's what I'm doing in my kitchen tonight, a roast, rump roast. Was it rump roast? It was a beef rump roast from BFR Beef. So there you have it. I'll be showing you what I put together with it tonight for dinner. I hope y'all make it a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.